Hi, this is Karthik. Welcome you all for this session. In this session, I'm going to teach you how to write a simple program to add two numbers using Python using command. Once again, I repeat the topic, how to add two numbers using Python using command. In order to achieve the task, so first I'm going to open command using run window. I'm going to type CMD in order to open the command. So what I'm going to do is, so inside this user, I'm going to create a folder. Let us say Karthik. And then I'm going to enter into that folder. Okay. And then I'm going to check Python is working or not by typing the command Python. So now it is working. Just exit it by typing quit. So now again I'm going for run window by using Windows R and then type notepad in order to open the notepad and in order to type our coding. So what is our task? We want to add two numbers. So let us say a equal to, so integer of input. If you want to get the value from user, you want to use input. So within double quotes, let's say enter a value. And then you need one more variable in order to store the second value. Let us say b. So integer, let us say input, enter b value. Just close it. And then you want to print. You want to add and print. Let us say print a value equal to a comma b value equal to comma b comma a plus b equal to comma a plus b. So after typing your code, just go to file and save as. Now where you want to save? You want to save inside users and inside Karthik. We'll create a folder called as Karthik. So just go to user Karthik and look for the folder. And inside this you can use any name. Let us say example 1 ex 1 .py. So this is an extension for Python, and just click down all files and save. Now just go to your folder and type python.exe followed by a space and then your program name ex1.py. So now it is asking for the a value, provide a value and provide a b value, and now you can see the a value is 10 and b value is 20, a plus b is 30. So this is a way you want to use a command prompt in order to add two numbers. Thanks for watching this video. I think you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you.